Hello friends, once again welcome back to your big guy channel, and in this video we will talk about some Excel tricks and shortcuts. So first of all, we have a trick number one, control plus D. What happens if you do control plus D? So basically, if you have to put the same data from down, you can drag it like this, right? And in case if you want to know the shortcut, you don't have to drag it. So what you need to do, you make a selection until when you need it and simply press Control and D from your keyboard. So it's done. Next shortcut key we have Control and R, which basically supposed to be R. Now same this data, if you want to put it on the right side, so you select the range starting from the cell and press Control R, so it will be all filled up. All right. Now the next key we have here Alt H plus FIS. So if you press Alt HFIS, so this series icon opens up, and what you can do with this I'm going to be explaining you. Example, if I need to type the serial numbers here 1 2 3 4 5 like this, or you can simply either drag like that, like this, it works. Otherwise, if you need to make it like you need to make 1000 numbers and so you're going to drag, so it's going to take time. So for better use, you can simply use Control H FIS. So once this opens up, you need to select the column here. Here you need to keep the setup value 1, and stop value you have to put which you want with the last number, but make sure that you have a return of at least number here 1. So let's go again, Alt H FIS. Now stop value, if I want to put 100, and we need to put it in columns, not in the rows. You do it, you see, it's done. So that was a shortcut. Then the shortcut number 4 we have is filter. How to put filter? Example, you have a data like this and you need to put it filter, so select the data and press Control Shift and L, like that. Now you see the filter has been enabled. You can use filter in any way. Here it is. Let's remove it, and to remove the filter you can simply press Control Shift L. Now the filter is removed from here. Now the last one I have for you is Alt equals for the sum. Most of you, I believe, you know that. If not, to make it total subtotal, you can simply press Alt and equals, and you can see Alt equals. Now you have an option of numbers here, as you want to check minimum, maximum, average, and count or sum of all those numbers above average, you will see. So this is how subtotal function works. So it's very easy and convenient. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.